In the video from C-SPAN, Professor Melissa Deckman speaks about the main topics of her book about Tea Party women. She explains the roles and involvement that women have had in this movement and breaks down the types of opinions that they hold, as well as discussing how the movement is perceived by others and the potential future of the Tea Party and the women involved. The first thing that I learned about social movements from this video was that there are difficulties that some people face, women in this case, in actually getting involved and having a voice in the movement. Typically, we see the issue of movements and their leaders having trouble getting people to join them and participate. However, Deckman speaks about the difficulties that women have had while trying to actually get involved and being heard by others in this movement. She states how social media has been crucial for women as entry into the Tea Party. Through their participation and activity on social media, they were able to break down the barriers, and it gave them a way to voice their opinions and instead of being overlooked. The second thing that I learned about social movements from the video was how fluid movements can be and the importance of adaptability in succeeding with movements like these. Deckman talks about the fluid nature of the Tea Party and how new groups are always emerging or leaving throughout the years. And along with that, it's necessary that these movements are able to change and adapt to new situations and environments in order to make those differences, and then they sometimes have to make sacrifices in order to move forward. She exemplified this by describing how the Tea Party movement has had to recognize their lack of a certain amount of power and then continue to go with the Republican Party in order to get policies and legislation passed and achieve their own goals. Overall, I thought the video was very informative. I found her personal analysis of a specific kind of group, the Tea Party, and their movement useful in better understanding social movements.